Good afternoon. So if you're doing the chapter of simple harmonic motion, a very important topic for your coming final examination is the damped simple harmonic motion. Now it is very simple to understand a damped harmonic motion. The only difference is if you pick up the standard simple harmonic motion, add another force on that. So if you remember, in a standard simple harmonic motion, the force is minus m omega square x. Add an extra force on that, which is your damping force, which is minus bv. The two forces together, the restoring force and the damping force together, constitute the net force on the body, which is oscillating in simple harmonic motion. But the difference is now the oscillations are called as damped harmonic oscillations. Please remember the extra force due to damping is just b into v, where velocity v represents the velocity of the body. Thank you.